This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Alright, I'm at the Belfast airport, about to catch a flight to London. Gonna meet up with Choots and make some art. I'm there for 10 days, it's the longest part of my journey, so hopefully I can make a bunch of cool stuff. So we made it to London. I'm here with Choots, the man who put this whole thing together. He's so on top of it and I'm so thankful. But I'm here, the weather is nice, the view is crazy. This is like so London right here. So let's see what happens.
We're here, King's Cross. Yeah. We're gonna get this line to Mile End. Waterloo Station, we're here by accident, since we're here anyway. We're gonna check out the embankment and all the tourist stuff.
Sounds like a plan. That's a big Ferris wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, that's your boy Choots in the building. All your favorite drip monsters live in London.
That's cool though, having to paint over those bridges.
Yeah. Oh Jesus, bounce, bounce, bounce. So we are in Shoreditch right now. Choots has hella pieces around here. This is so cool. Wow, London is amazing. I really didn't know what to expect, but everywhere is just covered in amazing, inspiring street art. That gray one? Oh, nice. The Lydia wall?
Yeah, it's us.
So it looks like that's the one we're doing. That's nice, that's a great size. It's a comfortable size and seems like it's a little bit more chill. Lots of urine smell.
So yeah, I mean, I was thinking like one of your characters, like, you know, lengthways kind of falling.
Yeah.
Just like, you know, pretty central. And I'll do all the background, and then in the foreground a few things like popping up in front of it. Maybe if there's some smoke whipping around him, just to kind of tie it in.
So just to recap, a falling character falling into a world of black and white doodles that are splashing up around him. Yeah?
Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
All right.
So this is Choots.
Yo.
And
Fucked it up already.
no, I fucked it up.
I'm Choots. I'm a London artist. I've been painting for about 3 years now, and I discovered 1000s videos not too long ago, and I love what he does. And when he reached out to say that he wanted to do some spots in London, I thought it would be a great opportunity to collaborate with a great artist, show him the city that I love, and yeah, learn a thing or two. So we're gonna see what happens.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, man. If I'm doing a piece, like for example, if I've outlined everything black and I maybe want to do a white outline and I don't want to test it on the wall, you can take a picture of the wall and then just try it on the iPad quickly before you do anything on the wall.
Another idea for a wall that I was thinking, here, hold this for a second, is I like to do these sort of like crazy contortionist characters where like the knees are going above the back. So I was like having a character way more bizarre position than this, but like kind of crouching down with its hands out, and then like all of your characters are like spilling out of its hands.
Oh yeah, that sounds great.
So we are sketching this morning, trying to come up with ideas. Alright, it is day one in London, day one of painting with Choots again. Y'all know him by now. We are heading to his art studio to pick up some supplies, then to the paint shop to get some spray paint and bucket paint and some other random stuff, maybe some acrylics. And then we're going to what part of town?
Shoreditch.
Shoreditch. We're gonna go and check out this wall, try and make some dope art for the people, for the Londonites. What do you call yourself if you're from London?
Londoners.
Londoner, that's so simple and so easy. So yeah, we're two men on a mission to make some art. Damn, I wish I could have ended that more quick. We're at Casa de Choots. Telling me that I can sit on this thing. Wait, look at this. This is like smaller than the size of a spray can.
It's comfy. It's comfy. You're doing stuff at the bottom.
It looks like you're levitating. Okay, now we're heading to the art shop. Trying to get some paint. It's not quite 10. In front of that building looks like a big cheese grater. We're at Great Art. And this is Luke, the man. He also makes custom painted spray cans. Seen a few of my videos. Yay, holding it down. All right, we made it with all of our stuff down to the wall. So tired, so heavy, so much paint. But we're about to start painting. Probably just gonna buff this thing white and then start sketching, getting it going. Let's go. So my boy Choots was on the ball. He reached out to Global Street Art, and Global Street Art lined this wall up for us. They curate a lot of the walls in London. They help get local artists and international artists walls to paint. And a lot of these walls are sort of like revolving art galleries where one artist paints it, and then a few months later, a new artist comes along and goes over it, which keeps London with an ever-revolving, beautiful street art gallery. And this place is just covered in amazing street art.
I might move this.
Well, we wait till it passes. So we're on a bit of a rain break. Yeah, classic London. So we're about midway through the day, looking good. Me and Choots rocking it out. This very painful zit that popped up on my face, so you guys can enjoy looking at that for the rest of the video. Yeah, the wall is coming along. Dealt with some rain earlier, but now it's beautiful. So we're just gonna keep working and watch our back because it's a little bit shady in this alleyway.
Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa. Please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business.
I really think that me and Choots' style kind of mash up super well together. He does this kind of graphic, cartoony, complex, doodly style, and I think it goes really well with my style. He's an awesome dude to chat to, and man, I got a new homie in London, that's for sure.
Yeah. No, I don't do pay to play, I get paid to play, and since you're playing games to get paid from me, man, swear to God I'm walking. Yeah.
This sleepy guy right here is Auburn from Global Street Art, saying what's up. Yo, if you guys don't know about Global Street Art, then you're dumb, so go follow them on Instagram. Yeah, so he's holding it down, and we might be doing a little bit of work together. What do you think? Awesome, sweet.
You're all about you.
Yo, Choots was such an awesome collaborator. He had so many ideas. He was super professional. He had a lot of stuff lined up for me. And this whole European tour was just put together off of me just saying like, hey, I'm coming to Europe. And a lot of really dope artists in every single city that I went to stepped up, helped me out, got me walls, talked to the appropriate people, told me where the cool free walls were, told me where the cool walls that the galleries curated were. And man, I'm just amazed at the love and support all around the world that I received from my fellow artists on this trip. So we are pretty much done, but it is nighttime now, so we're just doing the last little finishing touches. Gotta sign it, I don't know. Choots is still doing a little bit of stuff on his crazy ass doodle background. But we're gonna try and come back tomorrow morning and get some like footage of it and the outro, the final stuff. So we'll see you tomorrow morning for the outro. Well, we're just about done, but this whole European tour could not have happened without my awesome sponsor. So let's hear a quick word from them. I am here in London, and I needed to take a quick break to let you know that this video is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace empowers millions of dreamers, makers, and doers by giving them the creative tools they need to bring their dreams to life. On Squarespace's all-in-one dynamic platforms, customers can claim a domain, build a website, sell online, and market your brand. It's super important for artists to have an awesome online presence, and a beautiful website, I think, is what every artist needs. With Squarespace's super simple templates, it's never been easier to build a website. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be like an HTML guru. You just pop your awesome content into their beautiful templates and you're off and running. If you want to see a video where I built a Squarespace website in like 15 minutes, you can check out this video right here. Another thing that I love about Squarespace is their e-commerce. I use use Squarespace for my online shop, and it is like a huge part of how I survive as an artist and sell my products. Meanwhile, just a page away is my whole portfolio, so if there's clients who want to look at my murals or my illustrations or my paintings, it's all right there on Squarespace. But if you do run into any issues or you feel a little bit lost as you're creating your website, Squarespace has 24/7 award-winning customer service. I'm not ashamed to admit I've hit them up a few times and they always help me and solve all my problems. They've also got amazing marketing tools like SEO and email campaigns so that you can reach new customers. So go to squarespace.com to start your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. That's squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this European tour. It's been awesome. All right, let's get back to it. We came back the next morning and your boy Choots, you just gotta keep touching stuff up. It's one of those artists that's never done, right buddy?
That's right, so.
Well, I think we're done. You guys ready to see the finished product? Check it out.
Yeah. Quick interruption, I'm actually in Brazil right now, which is pretty much the most opposite place on earth from London. But I gotta let you know that me and Choots are releasing a ultra crazy limited edition print of this mural. There's only 25 of them available. They're on really thick, beautiful, nice paper. They're giclée prints, fine art, archival prints, and those are available on chootsart.com. He's gonna be shipping them out from London, so some of you European subscribers are not too hyped on the expensive international shipping, so here's your chance to get a awesome limited edition print from us. Also, we are going to be releasing a super limited edition collaboration shirt, my shop Statix. Every so often we do these really limited edition collaboration drops, and there's only going to be 72 shirts available. Choots made an amazing design. Statix X Choots, that's at statix.shop. Free shipping anywhere in the United States. International shipping is available. He made this amazing design specifically for this collaboration project. So if you want one of these very rare limited edition t-shirts, check out the website for my shop Statix. It'll be right there on the front page, statix.shop. And yeah, let's get back to the regular video. Well, that is it for us. This was a super fun project. My first one in London, meeting this guy, Mr. Choots. What's your Instagram, dude?
James Tutor, C-H-U-T-E-R.
At James Tutor. Go follow him. He's awesome. This like crazy, colorful character falling into a world of black and white. It's an idea that Choots pitched to me on the first day, and I was like, that sounds super awesome. I'm super hyped to do it, and I think it came out radical. It's been a blast here in London. If you guys like this video, leave a like. I don't know, what do you think of the mural? Let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and you can even ring the bell if you want to know exactly when the next video is coming out. Hey, guess what? If you want to get a bunch of cool t-shirts and hoodies and hats and a bunch of sweet art merchandise that I make, you can get that at 1000art.com. If you want to support me for as little as $2 a month, you can check out my Patreon and get exclusive access to behind the scenes stuff that you can't get anywhere else. We're tired, but it's on to the next one. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video, this European tour, and just making sure that I have an awesome time sharing my art with the world. All right, y'all, we're on to the next wall. I'll see you next week. Peace out. Bye.